Let me tell you something strange. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a psychology problem. You give them $1,000, it disappears in a week. You give them $10,000, same story. Why? Because their mind is wired to spend, not to grow. See, money doesn't change your habits, it amplifies them. A spender with more money spends faster. A saver becomes an investor. It's not how much you earn. It's what you believe about money that decides where it goes. Are you earning money to impress others or to build freedom? Do you treat money as a tool or a reward? Most people chase money to feel in control, but the truth is, if money controls your emotions, you'll always feel broke, no matter your income. Wealthy people understand something different. Money is just a mirror. It shows you who you are, and if you want more, you have to become more. Start tracking your spending, delay instant gratification. Learn one new thing about money every week, because building wealth isn't about having more, it's about becoming someone who can handle more. Master your money psychology, and the money will follow. Subscribe to The Inner Light, where mindset meets money.